Hi everyone, this is Yad from Z channel and welcome back to this new video. Today I'll be talking about the Haylou X1 Airpods. This Airpods comes with a lot and bunch of functions. I will be doing today unboxing and review for it. Video, by the way, is sponsored by Haylou. I will start with, of course, the function comes with this AirPods. Of course, it's multi-mode noise cancellation. First of all, AI call and noise cancellation. It comes also with 3 mic for the AirPods and low battery. Gives you 30 hour of battery life. Of course, in the case, I mean about that, wireless charging. Do you recognize that? Wireless charging and also uh, Type C charging. There's also smart touch control and there's also game mode. So let's see further on what kind of function and how we can use it. So this is the package of the AirPods, of course. It's not so big, it's not also so small, but really I like this packaging, like it's all black, made black, and you can see also the logo of them here on the top of the package. The package is so clear, so there's not a lot of things on it. Of course, you can see here the usage, the volts, and all the electricity information. This is what in the box. So we have the case of the AirPods and we have the AirPods themselves, and underneath it we have, of course, the attachment or uh, the replacement that it comes with the AirPod itself. Underneath the case you will find of course, the instruction guide. For it's very important, of course, to keep this and save it in a place where you can go back to it all the time. Of course, there's an English version and there is also maybe a Chinese version, or maybe I'm not really sure, but I believe so. And there you can find all the information. This is also the type C cable. It's a small cable. It's maybe like 5 centimeter, with a type C from a side and with a type A from the other side. And here also some replacement for the air, if you want like a big one, if you want also a small one, there is also a middle one. So as you see here also, this is the case of the AirPods. It was a little bit difficult to take it out. It comes in a black color. As you see, it's also a matte finish, and I like this case so much because, if it's not a matte color, your fingerprint will be over all the case. It has also a magnetic, that's also good. And now we comes also to the AirPods themselves. I like also this design of it because like it's I don't know, but it's remember me about GBL AirPods. It's also the same, but the thing is here it's not so high. There's some brands of AirPods is too high. The AirPods themselves is too high. As you see here, it's the hands of the AirPods, like it's very unique, it's very like decent. There's also, as you see here, you see like 3 holes. From the top side this is a mic. As you see here, there's also left and right, you can see that on the AirPod themselves. And this is how it looks in the air. I really found it very comfortable, but there's also a tip: if you really don't find it comfortable, just replace the AirPods tapes in your ear, because like choose the small one or choose the big one. I really, at the beginning, I really did, it was like a little bit uh, not good for me, but when I just replaced it, it was very comfortable. As you see here, just when you need to, of course, search for it in your device, and it will show up directly and make connection, and you can also rename the device. As you see also, the AirPods has indicators. It gives a red and white lights white color, so when it's flashing white means something, but now it's charging, of course, inside the case. As you see here also, it's type C. There's also three in the light indicators in the front of the case. Of course, you can see also the charging status of the case, so just to know how much the battery percentage. So as you see guys, also I talked also about three mic. From the downside, from below, you can see a hole here, a small mic. So this is the first mic. This is also the second mic, and from the top also you have the third mic. So this Airbox, every one of them has three mic, and this is what make the Airbox special. So if you want to take it, so it's very easy to take to take them out, and also it's very easy to install the replacement also in. When I just replaced them, I really felt so much comfortable. I had like when because the one just I replaced, it comes standard, so you need of course to choose the best one fit in your air. So reset factory, you need to put them inside the case, charging case, and press on them like just like I do, and for 10 seconds, and then they will be of course go back to the reset factory and be connected again. You can of course try to delete them from your device and then reconnect them for a better result.
So guys, this is a record with noise cancellation active with also extractor on. So this is, if you hear it, this is the fan of the extractor. I know that one that we use when we are cooking to pull up all the smells out of the house. What do you think about it? Do you like it? Do you hear any noise? So later on it will be without noise cancellation or with noise cancellation disactive. So guys, this is the record with noise cancellation disactive in the same spot, in the same area, with the same, noise. So what do you think about it? Do you really recognize any difference between noise cancellation active and noise cancellation not active? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks.
So now let's talk about the advantage and disadvantage of these AirPods. The first one, I don't know, maybe it's disadvantage or advantage for some people, but the music doesn't stop when you take the AirPods from your ear. Noise cancellation will be, of course, making a sound when you make it active or disactive. It's comfortable in the air. And bass, the sound is very amazing, really so amazing. I heard many of them, like I mean in the price range, and this is maybe the best of them. And also it has a gaming mode. And maybe just one disadvantage for me, it's I found it really difficult to take the AirPods out of the case sometime because I have big fingers. So that's it guys for today. I hope this information will make you decide if you want to buy this speaker or not. Of course, if you want to buy it, please, there's a link in the description below. You can buy it from there. Let me know what do you think about this AirPods. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.